Hey yo, what's good y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sink Road and I'm back with another video. Now this is day 2 of my 31-day sneaker challenge. Today's challenge is going to be collaboration. And this is going to be the latest collaboration to release. I'm going to do for my day 2 is going to be the Diadora Studio 54, Diadora and Conceited. Now, a lot of you guys won't know who Conceited is the way from where I remember Conceited. I'm a huge battle rap fan. A lot of you guys might know Conceited from just the meme as far as him making that face. I'll put it somewhere in the video. Some of you guys will know him from Wildin' Out. And there is nods to Wildin' Out on here. Those of you that watch it says cut the beat on the back. That's one of his taglines on Wildin' Out. On the box it has slow it down, I just dissed you. That's more of his battle rap days on Smack. And that's where I know Conceited from as far as a fan. So I purchased these for the culture. This is one of 200. There's 2 pairs. He has a lotto pair, I can't remember, 9002 or something. I don't remember the model's Diadora. Never owned a Diadora in my life, but I bought these for the culture. That's the only reason I purchased these. Shout out to Conceited, man, for, you know what I'm saying, being able to secure collaboration with a sneaker brand. He's one of the biggest sneaker collectors out there. Got all the rare stuff you'll ever want to see. Follow him on YouTube and on IG, you know what I'm saying, if you're not already. But, you know what I'm saying, that's why I bought these. Never owned a Diadora, but, you know what I'm saying, it's for the culture. You know what I'm saying? I'm Conceited. I know Conceited verse Charlie, Conceited verse Hitman, Conceited verse Beat Magic, Conceited verse who else? Goods. When Goods had the Burberry button up with the pit stains, you know? That's where I'm at with it. So shout out to Conceited. This is day 2. Collaborations, man. 1 of 200. You know what I'm saying? 400 total pairs made between the 2 sneakers, and I'm happy to have these in my collection. Y'all let me know, you know what I'm saying, what y'all rocking for day 2 collabs. OVE!